Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Dhea Ayuning Tyas from Biology Class 2A. In this video, I will do the presentation for answer the question in exercise 1 about statement idea or unstated main idea. Text 1. Costs were low that year and the output high. There was a good person for each job and the market remained firm. There were no losses from fire. All in all, it was the best years in the history of the company. Sentence 1 explained that the company get a large income and the expenditure small. Sentence 2 gave the reason that's why the company are a good condition because there was a good person for each job. So there is no loss. From sentence first until sentence third, explain for sentence 4. And the writer put the main idea after the explanation sentence from the sentence first until sentence third. So that's why the main idea is located in the last sentence. Next, text 2. Penicillin is one of the greatest of the wonder drugs. It has saved thousands of lives already and will save many more in the future. Unfortunately, it has no effect at all on most of the ills of mankind. Penicillin is a very good drug, but it is certainly not a cure-all. Text 2 is the main idea. The main idea of the text is located in the last sentence. Yes, this is. Penicillin is a very good drug, but it is certainly not a cure-all because the sentence has a core that covers all of the previous sentence. Penicillin could cure a disease but not all kind of disease. Penicillin is a wonder drug because it has saved life and no effect at all at most of the ills of mankind. Text 3. When I was a little girl, I took piano lesson every Monday after school. I walked to Miss Silver's house with my tethered sheet music in my school lunch stained hand. She taught me the skills, the proper way to hold my small finger, and the theme song from the Pink Panther. She also taught me much more. From her, I learned the necessity of practice, the importance of patience, and the joy of achieving a goal after hard work. She also gave me the gift of music. All of that was learned in a half-hour lesson on Monday afternoons in Hummel, Illinois. 3 is unstatement idea because the sentence just explains the activities carried out by the writer. For the first sentence in paragraph, have activities after school every Monday. That is to say to piano lesson, and then next the sentence explains that the writer walked to Mrs. Seaver's house while the writer bring paper that is dirty. Explode the stain during lunch at school, and then from sentence 3 to sentence 5 explain what Miss Sylvia took the writer so that the writer understood through the meaning of about the goals in life. Goal. In sentence 6 and 7 tells and explain again the activities that the writer did day until afternoon. So for the main idea in text 3 is activities on every Monday when the writer was a child. Yeah. Activities on every Monday when the writer was a child. This is a main idea for text 3. Text 4. Both plant and animal cells are very complex, yet they are very similar when compared to each other. The Venn diagrams compress and contrast plant and animal cells. It consists of cross-sectional cell diagram. Both are explanations of the same concept but use different approaches to visual explain the information, it is interesting that there is so much diversity among living things. Yet, if you look at their cells, they are similar. The only the only real difference between a human cell, a horse cell, and a chicken cell is the kind of genetic information found inside the cell nucleus. 4 is unstatement idea because the first sentence until the last sentence it just informed about being there is a comparison and a question between cells with to each other. So the main idea is compare an equation between other cells with other cells using different point of view. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.